All right, guys, we have the second hired request of the 2018 list up today. It's Fear of Flying by Pied Pumpkin, and beautiful song. Take a listen to the intro here. And the verse starts there. Very beautiful voice singing this song. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. All of the lessons for this are already on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, thousands and thousands and thousands of lessons on there that I've made over the past 11, 12 years. Every skill level, every genre you can imagine. I even have beginner lessons, 50 beginner lessons if you don't know anything about music to start you from square one. Get used to my method. Facebook is the best place to see what I'm uploading new to the website and what's going on with me. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. Well, very beautiful voice singing this, whoever it is. And she just has just a wonderful voice. Never heard this song before. It's one of those awesome, rare jewels, I call them. So let's get started with this intro, see how much we can do in the part one. We're in the key of F here, so we're going to start with F, A, C in the right, left hand F, C, 1 and 2. And count 2 will be the left hand playing C, F, 1 and 2. And then we have this, which is A flat and C with 3, 5. You just flip that to G, like that. While the left hand plays an A. And then left hand goes E, then right hand F. The E can be taken with the right hand if you want. I just do it with the left hand. So the first measure is 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. All right. Next measure you have B flat and D. I'm going too fast for you. Just hit the pause button, right? Hit the pause button. Wait till you get that down. Then you can go on. That's a great thing about video lessons. So now we have B flat and D, 3, 5. Then the left hand will come in with a C octave. The first C is a staccato, that's why I have a little dot over it. Then the second we hold. Then we go bottom, which is F on the thumb, back to B flat and D, staccato. And then you play that F, B flat, D again with the left hand C octave. And then one more F. I'll tell you about that asterisk in a minute. But this second measure is 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and let's do both measures together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Now you have a bracket there with a 2. That means do it 2 times. We've done it once. The second time we're going to go through and stop at the asterisk and just skip over. So the second time does not have that little F. Is the only difference. So here's the second time. I think maybe upon listening again I hear a little flip from the 2 finger on a G sharp there. So on that second time through only, you can do a little G sharp flip to A on that first chord. 1, 2, and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Then we're here, okay? So that second time you just hold. Ba-bum-bum, 1. There's the verse. There's where the singing starts. A beautiful voice. A, C, A, G, F. Let me play a little bit. I haven't played it. This is the piano part, of course. 1, 2, da, da, da. Went to there. Let's see if we can knock that out. So this is this beautiful piano part that's not just, plunk plunk chords. It's got a neat part. Not too difficult to play though, but still cool at the same time. A, C, A, G, F. Left hand has F octave, and then that thumb F again. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. Next measure is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So it's left hand C to G, right hand has C and E, and then G, D, C. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. I try to help you out with the dashes and the slurs. The dashes mean you kind of hold those notes out. The slurs are move a little bit quicker. So this is by ear playing 2, 3, and 4, and so hopefully by using your ear and looking at my notation, that'll help you get the gist of it. Next measure is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so A, and occasionally I add a note here in the piano part just to fill it out a little bit because there's a guitar and maybe something else playing in this arrangement and it's a little bit thin at times, so I'll add a note here and there just to fill it out. So I took that liberty. C, F, A, F, A, C, E flat, C. I'm not saying the piano player didn't do enough. They did quite enough for the recording. But if you don't have the guitar guy with you and the other instruments, you need to do a little something here and there to fill it out. F, C, F, G, A on the left hand. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So straight eighth notes going on there. Here's the tricky measure. 1 and. So it's B flat and D in the right, and then F, A, D, F, A, F, A, E, G, and then D, F at the end. Okay, so da, 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 da. Left hand is B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, which is your rock steady conductor. It keeps the beat for you. When you have the slur there, that means from this note to this note, the notes are going faster. Da, 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 da. Da, da. So there's fast notes again there. So this will help you on the rhythm a little bit. Let's do it slow. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and again 1. The emphasis on the right because that's the important part of the piano accompaniment. Okay, so 1 and 2. Next measure. Alright, sometimes I make a little adjustments from what I originally put down as I listen to it a second time before teaching it. Then I kind of really tighten everything up for you. So occasionally you'll see a note I changed, whatever, from the original sheet I may have sent you. So D, F, G, A, G, da, 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 say 1. So it's D, F, G, A, G, left hand D, A, and then G, D, G, and then back to a D. Right here it's D, B, D, B natural, so ba, da, da, da. And there is a hold on that first. Well, that's in red. Let's change it to black. Okay, so 1, ba, da, da, da. All right, next measure, we're going to have 1. So that's C, G, G, C, G. Right hand C with D, F, C, D, F, and then C, E, and then a C. So 1 and 2 and a 3. So those are fast right there. One more measure. And then this goes da 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 da. That finishes the measure. So it's D and then F A with 3 and 5, G F, G F, D B. Left hand D A, and then G D G D. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. I think we can go. Well, let's see. I don't want to run out of time. I can't. Let's do. Let's go from here all the way to there, and then we'll call that the part 1. Okay? I think you got the intro down. Let's start here at the verse. So 1, bum, 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 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 1 and 2. Start right there on the B flat measure on the part 2 on webpianoteacher.com. See ya on the website for the next few videos. Talk to you guys later.